Hello everyone. Myself Vaibhav Sharma, intern at Lexis and Company for the month of June, and today I will discuss about administrative law. I will discuss about some definitions of administrative law. I will discuss some sources and some elements of administrative law. I will discuss about some cases and also the three pillars of the democracy. So let's start first with the definition. So we will talk about the definition given by A.V. Dicey. So A.V. Dicey said that administrative law is that portion of a nation's legal system which determines the legal officials, the legal states, and and the liabilities of the legal officials, and also the liabilities of private individuals in dealing with those officials. If we talk about the definition given by Jennings, so Jennings said that administrative law is the law of administration, and it determines the powers, the duties of an organization or the authority or the public authority. सो इन दोनों डेफिनेशंस का निष्कर्ष बोलो या फिर कंक्लूजन बोलो, वो ये है इन सिंपल वर्ड्स or in simple terms that administrative law is is that law which governs organization, procedures, uh, some duties, some laws, some powers of the public authority. So it is a public law and not related to government, and not related it is related but it is other than the legislature and the judiciary or the law or the court, and it is there to bring out uh, it is there to bring out the rule of law in a society, or you can say as a global administration. So basically, uh, administrative law is that branch of a law which determines or um, which shows some duties and principles, or some powers of the organs of the states or organs of the authorities. So अगर हम बात करें इंडिया की, so the principles of administrative law in India are derived from Article 14 and Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So now we will discuss about the pillars of the democracy. So there are three pillars of the Indian democracy. The first one is legislature, the second one is judiciary, the third one is the executive. So we will talk about first about the legislature. So legislature are those bodies which makes law. लेजिस्लेचर का काम किसी भी कंट्री में होता है, इंडिया के अंदर अगर इंडिया के परस्पेक्टिव से बात करें तो लेजिस्लेचर का काम होता है लॉ को बनाना. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल पार्लियामेंट, लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा. अगर हम बात करें जुडिशरी की, सो जुडिशरी इज़ देयर टू चेक that the law made by the legislature is ultra wires or not, is against the fundamental rights or not, is against the principles of the Indian Constitution or not. If it is so, then they can void the law. जुडिशरी के पास ये पावर होती है कि अगर वो देखे कि कोई भी लॉ जो कि उसने लेजिस्लेचर ने बनाया है, अगर वो लॉ अल्ट्रा वायस हो या फिर फंडामेंटल राइट्स के ख़िलाफ़ हो, तो इस ऐसी सिचुएशन में जो जुडिशरी है वो ऐसे लॉ को वॉइड भी ठहरा सकती है. बेसिकली जुडिशरी का काम होता है टू प्रोटेक्ट द फंडामेंटल राइट्स, और इसके पास एक स्पेशल पावर होती है जो कि होती है जुडिशल रिव्यू. एग्ज़ाम्पल इंडिया के अंदर जुडिशल सिस्टम का सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स, हाई कोर्ट्स एक्सेट्रा. अगर हम बात करें एग्जीक्यूटिव की, तो एग्जीक्यूटिव आर दोज बॉडीज़ विच एग्जीक्यूट्स और विच इम्प्लीमेंट द लॉ in the society or in the nation. इसके कुछ डिपार्टमेंट्स भी होते हैं एग्जीक्यूटिव लॉ के, जिसके बारे में हम पार्ट 2 में बात करेंगे।